Hello everyone. This is lecture video number 3. We are going to see about functions in Python. So we will be seeing the argument, that is we have arbitrary key arguments. That is if you don't know what is the how many arguments we have passed, how many arguments we want to add, we will be using the term called asterisks. Before we see about key value syntax, similar to we have a key value, but we doesn't know how many keys and how many colors we are going to pass it. So we'll be using the two asterisks before a parameter name in a function definition. So in this way we will be receive a dictionary of arguments and can access items accordingly. We have a defined my function star kid, where star kid is nothing but you will be having the arbitrary key, or the star kid is also called as arbitrary key arguments. When we see this program, we have defined my function, you have kid, the print we are going to list last name of the kid, whereas in my function we will have first name as a Ganesh, second last name as a Kumar, whereas the kid, the first definition of my function of kid will be holding the arbitrary keyword arguments. The arbitrary keyword arguments consisting of f name and l name, but we are going to use the last name of the kid is l name. So the printout statement will be printing as a Kumar. In this way, we are going to see about arbitrary key arguments. Okay, next one. Next we are going to a default parameter value. This default parameter value is nothing but will be having the country as Norway. Print I am from the country. Okay, that is normally we have a default value Norway, and we are going to print I am from this country. So the first thing is that we have my function Sweden. What does this do is that we are going to pass Sweden automatically. First thing, the printout statement will be my functions of Sweden. I am from Sweden. I am from plus country. Instead of country Norway, the Sweden will be printed. Next we are going to pass the values from India. Next printout statement will be of I am from India. Whereas when we see the third one, we does not have any arguments to the parameters. So defaultly the Norway value will be printing. See, I repeated again. The first printout statement will be printing as I am from. Anyway, we have country as Norway. The first printing statement will be printing as I am from Sweden. Next will be having I am from India. Whereas the third when we say third function is my function, the my function will print as the my country is I am from the country. I am from the country Norway, whereas it doesn't print Sweden, or it doesn't print India, or it doesn't print Brazil, whereas it prints the value I am from the Norway. Next we have a my function. The fourth calling function will be calling function will be my function of Brazil, whereas the printing statement will be of I am from the Brazil, whereas Norway will not be printed. That is, the first function will be passing the value Sweden. The country value will be changes to Sweden, so it prints I am from Sweden. Second is in India, so it prints that the country equal to India. It will print I am from India. Third, we doesn't have any parameters. That is, it is a default. So it is called as default parameters. So it will print as I am from Norway. Whereas fourth we will have passing parameter Brazil. So we will be printing as. So we'll be printing as the function from that is I am from Brazil. This is called as default parameter value. Next we are going to pass list as argument. That is we can send any data types to the function, where string, number, list, dictionary. It will treat as same data type inside a function. So in this function we have defined my function food. We are using the for loop, where for x in food, print of x. In this we are going to print that list. The list consisting of apple, banana and fruits. That is, we are going to print x. That is, we are going to pass the my function of fruits. That is, fruits of list is been passing to the arguments. That is nothing but food. So in the the fruits list will be updated. So so for x in food, the fruits consisting of apple, banana and cherry. So it prints the value from first it prints for x is found, that it prints from apple, it prints banana, it prints cherry. So the list will be get completed, so it stopped the function. Hence, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.